Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. SwiftUI online glossary admin app inside. Today we need to call this here the offer ads and as well as the offer delete and also offer product list need to UI with bind here the view models like this need to configure here. First of all now need to develop here the new view. Go inside the view folders and to create here the new groups and to give this here the name offer like this here and to create here the two files. New file, select here the shift UI and to give this here the name overview like this creates and also another files you need to develop here. New files need to give this here the name as a offer add view like this create here. First of all now need to making here the offer add view I need to develop now need to copy here the promo codes add view need to copy first of all this all data and now need to paste here the offer add inside like here. Now need to change here the product view model. Also another state variables need to declare here the where o vm is equal to set here the offer view models dot share need to pass this here. Now need to copy here and we need to change this here only here the show here the head product offers like this set here the titles. Now need to remove here the promo codes like this no needs. Clean here also remove here the minimum maximums. Also this here only add remove this here the actions. Need to change here the object. Now we need to call here the functions action. Inside past here the object as need to set here the self dot pvm select offer products like this set. If not, then to create here the product model dictionary blank way like this. Need to parsing here and to configure as a head. Now also need to change this here the offer price variables ovm like this set here also set here clean here no needs like this need to show here. Now upper ads view are the done. Now need to go inside the product view. Now need to set here the another backgrounds. Need to write down here the show upper ads and to set this here upper ad view like this configures and also need to set here the on tab gestures and to give this here the pvm dot select objects offer products you need to set and to show this here the ad like this ad here. Now need to copy this here the view data and need to paste here. Now need to set here the per view models and to set here the offer remove here the ad no needs clean here also clean here. Now we need to set here another need to sell develops for the common UI inside new files give this here the name offer product sell create here. Now need to copy here the product sales and to paste here. Also imports here the HD web image shift UI need to select here. Now need to set here the offer product models also need to configure this here like this. Here no needs here the edits need to remove here the edit flags like here. Also need to set here the show here the offer price and current price. Now need to remove here the offer price set here the small 14s and to set this here the overlay contents like set here the rectangle, set here the fill color dot primary text. Then after need to set here the frame, give this here the height as set here 1, and also need to set here elements as a center like this configured here, and need to showing like this, and also need to change this here colors red like this configures this well. Now need to use this here these cells inside the overview, set here, remove here the edit, in this here this event, and also need to pass here, remove tab gestures no needs, like this configures, also add no needs edits, clean this here. Like these configurations for the hopper tabs, now need to check here, also here the this tab view, check here evm dot list, check here if is empty, else parts need to show here, this here need to create here the wish tag inside, set here the space, also set here the space, and to set here and pleasure titles, no but like this set here, set here the font, custom font, need to set here the bold, and to set here the size 20. Foreground colors need to also set here colors dot placeholders like this, set here as a centers, set here the frame max width, need to set here the infinity, and alignments need to set as a dot center like this configures for this UI. And also make sure need to call this here the list, and need to add inside calls on appearance, need to calls MVVM dot show here action open calls. Now need to go inside the tab view, need to find out here the tabs main tab, and to configure this UI empty view to change this here the overview like this sets. Then after need to change here the tab name as a hopper like this configures, and to save this here. Now need to run this here the simulators and to test. Like this showing here, and now need to tab here, and to opening this here the add product offers like this show here. Now need to select here the dates, now need to change here the 14th, and also change here the like this sets. Now need to set here the offer price 1.99, and to click on ads, and need to offers add, need to get here the successfully. Now need to go inside the offer tabs, and maybe here the issue for the API calls to check here. Now overview models need to Yes, we product list. Maybe here typo. Product. That's why now again we need to restart. Go inside offers and to show like this here the value, and need to make sure we need to set here the space. Now need to fix this here the UI issue inside the offer cell. Set M alignment. Set here headings. Now need to fix this here issue. Run again. Select here the offer tabs and look like this showing here the this UI, and this is the offer list. Now click on delete and offer deleted successfully to get this here the message. Look like this showing here this list, and also need to make sure need to change these tabs, need to reload this UI data. Now need to go inside the product view and on appearance. To set this here the EVM dot AI call list is calling here. Again, we need to test. Now need to create here the offers. Set here the times 17. Done here. Set here the price 149. Add here and look like here the showing here. Click here offers and to get here pop-ups. Need to show here. Click on deletes to clean this here. Back here and to like this UI are the showing. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.